everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a plush haul. So I went to the store on my lunch, did some sourcing, found some things, tried finding more than just plush, but they had a ton of good ones today. So I got this Polar Big Bag, and I got this Polar Big Bag. Everything here cost me $28 and some odd cents. So, yeah. So, oh yeah, and we're also going to be doing a bulk box here in a little bit for later on in the week. I might be wearing the same shirt, I don't know. I'll be filming 2 videos in a row, if I can come out the mouth. Alright, so I am going to have an assistant again today. It's Lala. Okay. Yes, it is. This is my daughter. She helps me out with videos every now and again because these are her favorite. So she does not like all the clothes and the shoes and whatever. She likes the toys, right? Yes? No? You speak.
Something in a bag that I saw on TikTok that's really popular on TikTok, I think it is.
What's that?
I saw something in the bag, I think I saw on TikTok.
Oh, you think you saw? Okay. So yeah, so these are all mystery to her. She hasn't seen any of it yet, except for what she can see a little bit on top. I know what's in here. I bought 3 things that she can choose from her because she has had a bad day today. So 3 of these items are for hers to choose one of. I'm going to try to see if she can figure out which 3 I chose for her.
Probably, you know, I like cats, so.
So she's going to tell you everything that's in this bag. I'm going to say what's in this bag. So, do you want to start? You want me to start?
Let me start.
Let me start. Okay.
Oh, no, that's not what I thought it was.
So this is a little squishmallow. It's a little one. I did pay $2 for it. I have no idea if it's good or if it's not. But, yeah, so just a little, like, I don't know what you would call this. I don't know if this is
the octopus.
That's what I kind of thought was an octopus one.
Let me count.
Yes, there's 8. Okay.
7.
So yes, a little squishmallow.
7.
It is not. Your turn.
I thought it was. I think that was one of them that you picked for me.
What, this one?
That.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Nope. Dang it.
I have Squishmallow on the background.
What is it?
Behind it. Some girl from a TV show for kids. Don't remember what her name is.
Okay, what show is it from?
Power.
No.
Pajamas.
This is PJ Masks.
She's the owl one. I told you there's a cat and a lizard thing.
Okay, well she says this is an owl. It says it's from a show called PJ Masks.
The owl ears.
Okay.
I watched the show before with little kids.
It's pretty big. I'm thinking I can do probably about 20, 25 on that one. I did not look up this one. I just grabbed it.
For me?
No. This.
Definitely not for me.
Definitely not for you.
It's
no.
from Harry Potter.
Yep, this is a Harry Potter. Was it Dobby? Yeah, Dobby plush.
No, I don't watch it like ever.
I know, you're not a thing. So I did up paying $2 for that one as well, but he's selling all day long for about $25 free ship. So that's what I expect to get out of him, or around that much. Okay, your turn.
I'm Ding Dong.
That's not Ram-a-Lam Ding Dong. Okay, we gotta show the peoples. Show the peoples.
Your little lamb.
You gotta show the face.
I'm showing.
Okay, what's the brand? Glitz.
Glitz.
Or no, not Glitz.
That...
Gitsy. So there's the tag.
Her name
It's like a nice
Glitzy. Her name is Glitzy.
Sequined pink and silver.
Is that one that you picked
Like
for me?
sheep llama. Yes, this is one of those that I picked for you.
I knew that you would pick that for me.
In really good condition. Okay, here is... Now this does not have a... Oh, yes it does. It's called Blessings. It is a vintage bear. Is this the one that's made... I have one that's made in Korea that I bought today. No, just made in China. But I know it's vintage. made by, it's called Blessings, made by Russ Baby. Just a cute little bear. Paid $1 for him. I have no idea what he'll get 'cause I didn't look him up. I decided to get him. Paid $1 for him. Big one, big one. Okay, sure.
It's a Care Bear. Sunshine, I think, is his name.
Yeah, I don't know if it's a Sunshine or not. I've never seen a Sunshine with the stripes, but we'll have to see. Care Bears from 2016.
Are there 2 Care Bears there?
Uh-huh. Oh yeah, the Care Bear. Okay, now this, I have no idea what it is. If any of you guys can tell me what it is, I'd appreciate it.
Or me, I could. Nope, never mind.
You're like, nope, never mind. This is just a doll. Paid $2 for her. But she's got this hair.
Sure, no.
Kind of like a
homemade then?
weird hat. No, it's not homemade because it's got a...
Tag.
No, actually, no, I don't think it does have a tag.
Oh, it's a butt.
There's a butt. Yep. No, she does not have a tag on her anywhere. I didn't find any markings or anything on her feet or nothing. So if anybody has any idea who she is, I would appreciate you guys letting me know. But I paid $2 for her. And I just figured she looked like she might be good. Figured worst case scenario, $10-12. I paid $1. Okay, your turn.
What are the couple things in it? What the frick?
Hey. So that is a Scentsy Buddies lion.
It has scent.
It does have scent. It's got a scent pack in it.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's a scent pack. Looks like this. It's
Looks like a
called
beanbag.
I'ma Lift Coast, I guess.
Wait, no, I need to touch it.
Just smell it.
I need to do that so I can smell my hands.
Yeah. So I think I don't
You
know
killed
if
him. That was his heart.
Was it his heart?
Yeah.
So yeah, he's just a Scentsy Buddy lion. They go for like $15, $20,
I have
something
way
like
more
that.
stuff for you.
Huh?
I have way more stuff than you.
Yeah. Alright, this is a dandy frog. He's big.
I know another thing.
He's going
You
for
told me.
about $25 free ship. He's in really good condition, very clean. There's the dandy tag.
Make that 2 things I know that you got me.
Your turn. This, I'm going to show this. Because you're not going to know. Put it back in his pocket.
I'm sorry, I took
So this is a vintage thing that I got. I don't know if it's any good or not. I paid 75 cents for it. It's got this on it that should not be on it, obviously.
I'll take that.
You'll take that.
Yeah.
So it's got a smiley
big.
face on one side, a sleepy face on the other side. It's got a bib on this side, got a little pocket on this side. And on the inside, it says Baby Things. Let's see, 1983, made in Korea. So yeah, I have no idea if this is worth anything, if it will sell for anything or not, but being that old in the thrift store for 75 cents, I couldn't leave it. Oh yeah, my turn, that was yours.
Oh.
You just weren't gonna know how to explain it. So this is a flip-a-zoo.
That's for
This
me.
is one of the things, yes, that I picked out for you.
It's a mouse.
Flip-a-zoo, yep, so it's like a mouse on one side.
Rat. No,
I'm not sure. I think it's a cat.
I think it's a dog.
No, it's a cat.
Can you grab my other one?
So it's a cat on this side, a mouse on the other side, Flip-a-zoo. And this is one of the things I bought for her. If she wants it, if she doesn't, she can get one of the other ones. Your turn. Huh?
Can you grab me my other one?
Your what? Your other Flip-a-zoo? Why? You want to show people your other Flip-a-zoo?
I got this one. It's a unicorn. And then you turn it over, and then it's a dragon.
It's a dragon with
It's like
sequins.
purple.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not selling this out.
No, you're not selling that. That's hers. All right. What else you got in there?
I'm not picking that.
Not picking that one. Show.
It's a lion. She paid $1 for it.
Okay, what kind of lion? What brand is it?
Squishmallow.
Mm-hmm.
The same brand as mine.
Mm-hmm. Yep. I paid $1 for him. And I think, no, I got a couple more. So this is dirty.
It's a Build-A-Bear.
Yep. It's a Build-A-Bear horse with blue eyes. Tag's a little messed up on it. It's from 2016. Her hair is pretty matted, but I'm going to try to figure out how to fix it. If any of you guys out here do plush and you know how to fix this hair, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to know any tricks and how to get her hair back to, you know what, how?
Syrup.
Syrup? Is that what you said?
Oh,
Syrup?
a little bit of paint.
No.
Oh, and some conditioner.
Conditioner? Maybe conditioner might do it, but she was in really, really good condition. She is a little dirty, so I'm going to have to wash her. She just had the Build-A-Bear on her foot, and then she's got the blue heart on her other foot. Alright, your turn. This, I have no idea if it's any good or not.
Oh, it's something like this. It's a bunny.
Yeah, but it's a weird bunny. It's like a ninja bunny. Okay, show
He
it.
got a red belt. You don't want to mess with him.
Ninja bunny. What's he from? Like, what's his brand?
Scott.
Ubisoft?
Ubisoft?
Yes. It's called Ubisoft 2015 from Fiesta. So it's got the Ubisoft tag here. Then it's got the Fiesta brand tag in there. And sometimes you might see a year. Nope, care instructions, surface wash, air dry. Paid $1 for him. No idea if he's worth anything. I just bought him. Alright. Same thing with this one.
How many more do you have?
This is my last one.
Oh, yes. New. It's a tie.
It's a tie Beanie Buddy collection from 1998.
I thought it was a bee.
Nope, it's a fish. This here, does he have a name in his tag? Let's see. I didn't even look. I just bought him. Vintage, so I bought him. He has Bubbles. Bubbles of fish from Thai.
Should be bees. Bzz, bzz.
Alright, your turn.
Silver Care Bear.
Yep, another Care Bear.
It can't.
Ooh, his head does come off. I didn't even notice.
How do you not know this?
I have 35 minutes in the store, so I don't really. Yeah. Oh yeah, and he's got like a little flap in the back that comes down.
So this is him. It's cloudy. There's clouds on him. He's very sleepy right now, as you can tell with his thing. Don't remember what
Got his
his name
jammies
is.
on.
Yeah.
We'll show
And
people in the back.
the pocket.
Yeah, so it's not a pocket, it's like a butt flap. But the butt flap comes down, then you see the Care Bear symbol.
And the brand is
Care Bear.
Care Bear.
Let's see, does he have a year? So let's see.
I didn't know that.
2015 for that
Wait.
one. What?
I need to show the people what they want to see.
What's that?
Next.
The tag?
Nope.
Oh. Oh, yeah, he does have a mark on him that I want to try to get out. If I can get it out, hopefully. And the hat thingy has holes for his ears.
How did I not know that?
I don't know. All right, next one.
Hey, but where's my third one I wanted? I already pulled it out. This deer. No, wait.
You gotta show
It's
it
a really
right.
cute thing.
I know.
Hey, but
Come on, show it right. So
deer.
it's a Gans Webkins baby deer. They're selling for about $25.
I was gonna see the brand.
25 to $30. And yeah, I don't see a year. Just called deer. He has feet. All right, how many more you got? One or two? Just the one? Sorry, people, for that loudness. Okay, $2.
The tag came off.
I have no idea what character this is. I know it's a character from a book. It's a Mercer Mayer's little critter, little sister.
That's not his little sister.
Yeah, it's just a Kohl's Cares little critter. I didn't look this one up either. just in really good condition. Had the tag. Figured for $1, why not? So that's the last one. So 1, 2, 3.
Which
4.
one's the other one I wanted? I'm supposed to pick.
So it's 18 total for $28. 18 or maybe 19, I don't know. 18, 19 for $28. So yeah, just let me know on those ones if you guys know what they are. I would appreciate it. I like to see what plush other people are picking up, what other people find interesting or profitable. Would like to know. So yeah, that's everything for today. And give me a comment, a like, a subscribe. Really helps out the channel. And we really appreciate it and love having you guys here to watch all this. And I will talk to you guys later. See ya. Have a great night.
Subscribe.